Okay. So 8, we start very simple. We just essentially move away from using a route or just manually serving our files, and then we use something called Express to do that and to handle the routes for us.
Yes.
Now in this example, when you do a get with the, what's this thing called again? Dash?
/home. Yeah.
So it's just going to record the parameters, going to record the body URL and any queries, and then it's going to also send a response to the server just named Hello Universe. Then we're going to listen on that port number, and when it listens, when this is activated, it runs this command here. So you can see I already have it running. That's the command that it runs when you've listened into a port.
Okay.
So if we just look up here, so you can see it's printing out Hello Universe.
Nice.
And then it's also logging the body, which it doesn't have anything in it, the parameters, the URL, the query. So if we go run that again,
Good.
Hang on, query parameters. Here we go. There we go, send. So you can see now it's logging the parameters that was in the URL to the query. And then we can add additional parameters. We can do that directly in the header. Form data, here we go. So we log that, you'll see that it also then logs that into the, no, it still logs into the query. Oh, because what's the difference between the query and then the params?
Query and the params.
Because remember, there's a difference.
The query is...
the query is the one with the question mark, and the params is the one that goes like this, right?
Params are parameters. They go into the box thingy. What's this thing? What a box thingy. I think curly brace.
I don't know.
Yeah, no, we are learning today, Chief. We are learning. Okay, that's what we need. The first one.
Oh yeah, so it is like that.
Yes.
So it is the one with the dots and the ID, but you have to set up your route correctly. And we could probably quickly do that. I think we can do something like that. So if we go back to Postman.
Test it out.
No, cannot get test. Might have to be a post request to do that, no? Hang on. Okay, hang on. So, sure, a double slash might work here. Maybe I'm sort of
maybe a
guessing.
Very big maybe.
Okay, I don't think the route's set up correctly if you take the other type of params. Okay, but it's fine.
Wait, when you do this, do you also, but then it auto saves. Press Control S.
Yeah, no, it does. It saves, yeah. Okay, but yeah. Basically just logging this into because like we'll do something, hang on. When we run 9,
okay,
we'll go here, because you see request parameter. So this is what this is.
Yeah.
So we'll go here. It's logging the query. Here it's logging the params. Okay. So yeah, you need to write it like this to access the params. Because like the params, the one that's like this. So you need to actually send something along with that. Okay, so let's do. That was 8 to 9. Okay. So basically doing the same thing, except this time we're importing a controller. And then we're calling that controller's methods or those functions, the exports, to essentially just get it to respond, just saying that data has been posted, and then here and able to actually take in a variable and then return that to us.
Okay, proper.
Yeah.
Let us see.
So just go like this. So there's nothing for get like this. So if we did it, take it to a post. So it says that post was successful. We turn that back to a get and we say items. Then we say
apple, banana, anything.
And then it says this is the page 4 and then whatever was in the parameters.
Nice. Okay, yeah.
Hang on a second. That's the difference. Look at this.
What the parameter?
So if I go back to if I go back here, cannot get test. With 3000. Okay, so there is logging that. This. No, it's not working. Okay, it's fine. Well, it's working, but I want to see why it's not logging. Why isn't this? Maybe we have to do something like this. Because we have to come back here first, and then we need to say. There we go.
Okay.
Because now it's going to be waiting for that. Which one is running now? 8, okay. Because it needs that to process that. Huzzah. And then it finally logged the parameter test.
We break and we fix.
Yeah. Basically, the mistake was making us like, for some reason, I thought you also had to do. Because now it'll break eventually. Sure.
Yeah, that's it.
Well, eventually, yeah, it broke. Okay.
Shouldn't take that long.
So it gets the variable out of the URL. It passes that to the home controller. The home controller then uses the response to just extract the variable. And then it responds that in that little message we got. And this is the post data. So when you post something, it comes here, it logs it to the console, and then it just returns a successful post.
Nice.
And then real quick, I'll probably just combine 10 to here as well, because it's going to, oh, here we go. Okay. Just took very long. But if we quickly combine 10 here as well, because it's the same concept.
We've been learning, Chief.
Okay, there we go. It's running. Okay. So just a quick overview. So this is all the same. The only difference here is just now we're getting our port out of an EMB file that's set to 3000. Just a bit more proper practice stuff. And then we're using the EJS view engine to be able to render files. We're using the exact same system with the home controllers, except this time they will be returning files, rendering files out onto the main screen instead of just the variables that we send back in a response. And then this is the exact same listen, but this just listens on any port. So it actually gets the port and it just says that it's listening here. So if we start the server up, okay, it already started up on 3000. Okay, so we've already done this, so I don't have to go over that again, maybe.
Nah, just print through the thing, my guy.
Okay, maybe I should just go through here. Okay, so this is the exact same as previously. This is very similar to previously. Okay, just remove this now. Put this back, exact same thing as previously. And then the only difference here is where you respond with name, it will be rendering a file. And then here we've basically just replaced the .send with rendering the same file as well. Just sending different variables onto them. So we go here.
Yep. Bro,
It's also taking
that shouldn't take
get a break. Because look at this, when I cancel it, look at this. So it says request made to. Oh, okay. There's an extra dash in here, that's why. Just restart the server. There we go.
Okay. That was quick.
There we
That
go.
was good. There we go.
So just takes us to that file. It now says hello John. Because that's just hard coded into this file at the moment.
Yeah.
But we could probably receive that data, but I think that's the next chapter we actually start receiving into the controller. It's fine.
Like check the variable instead of John. Yeah.
Yeah. And then we also play around with we should probably go through this. So we play around with importing other pages. So here we include our navigation file, which is basically this top part that you see here. And I think that's about it. There's nothing really new here, so that should be enough to end it off. Okay.
There's not much going on, guy.